everyone, new video from To Learn with Fun. Today we're gonna learn the difference between the short A sound and the long A sound. As many of you asked me what is the difference between them, so inshallah today we're gonna talk about the difference between the short A sound and the long A sound. So first of all, let's say the sound of each one of them. So here the short A sound make the sound like ah, ah, ah. So try to say it. Open your mouth and say ah, ah, ah. So this is the short. The long A sound is a, a. Like its name. When I'm asking you what this letter, you're gonna say A, right? So here A, it's its sound. So it will be a. So the short A sound like here, let's say the word k, can. Here I have the magic E. So here C, V, C, and we're gonna put E at the end. Okay, so E make the A long sound. Okay, but the E is silent. Okay, so here A, can. So here A, here A, can. Okay, let's move on here. P, tap. Here it will be A or A. Excellent, A. So it will be tape. Okay, so I have the magic E, and here it will be long sound. So here the difference between them. Here we can write hat, hat. If I put E at the end, it will be I have to put E, so I can sound it long. Hate. I don't know if you can see it or not, so we're gonna write it here. Okay, so hate. So this is the first condition we have today. Inshallah, I'm gonna make more videos about the others. So let's your child to start to read CVC words like can, tap, hat, cat, bat, and then try to find some words with the E at the end and try to sound it out like A, the long A sound. Try to sound it out. So it will be cane, tape, hate, like that. Thank you so much for watching my video today. And if you like it, don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe. And see you next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.